Did you know that in 2024, XRP is being used by more than 300 financial institutions across 40 countries? That's like having a network of allies spread across the globe. Major companies like Amazon Web Services are adopting Ripple's technology, and XRP is at the heart of it. But why is XRP suddenly the talk of the town? And what does it mean for you? Understanding XRP and Ripple. Before we answer that, let's get our basics right. XRP is a digital asset and a technology that acts as both a cryptocurrency and a technology protocol for facilitating remittances. Ripple, on the other hand, is the company that created XRP. Think of it as a modern, super efficient version of SWIFT or Western Union, designed specifically for the digital age. It's a real-time gross settlement system, RTGS, currency exchange and remittance network. It's a fancy way of saying it moves money from here to there, fast. Let's say you want to send money from the US to Japan. Traditionally, you'd need to convert your dollars into yen, which can be a slow and costly process. With Ripple and XRP, you can convert your dollars into XRP and then convert that XRP into yen in a matter of seconds. So it's faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Interestingly, Ripple's payment ecosystem doesn't just move money. It can move any type of value, whether it's commodities like gold or oil, other cryptocurrencies, or fiat currencies like the dollar or euro. If it holds value, Ripple can move it. XRP's global expansion. Recently, XRP has been on a roll. Its value has spiked, causing ripples, pun intended, in the market. But what's driving this surge? Well, as we discussed earlier, Ripple has been forming partnerships left, right, and center. We're talking about major players in the financial world. Banks, payment service providers, even software giants are getting in on the action. We'll cover some of them later in the video. So, this has led to increased adoption of Ripple's technology, and by extension, XRP. Apart from the companies, financial institutions are also recognizing the potential of XRP. More than 300 financial institutions across 40 countries are now using XRP for cross-border transactions. One of the most significant milestones in this journey has been Ripple's expansion to Japan. Now, we all know that Japan is no ordinary country when it comes to technology and innovation. It's a country that's always on the cutting edge, whether it's robotics, electronics, or now digital currencies. Japan has a highly developed economy and a sophisticated financial sector. It's also one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the world. So it's a perfect match for Ripple and XRP. Apart from Japan, Ripple is expanding its footprint across the globe. From Europe to Asia, from North America to Australia, XRP is making its presence felt. That's like if every country in the world suddenly started driving on the right or left, depending on where you're from. Major companies adopting Ripple technology. Moving on, let's say you're at a party and you see a crowd gathering around someone. You push through the crowd to see who it is and you find it's XRP. Yes, XRP is the life of the party, and major companies are lining up to dance with it. One of the biggest names to join the dance is Amazon Web Services, AWS. It's a subsidiary of Amazon, one of the largest companies in the world. AWS provides on-demand cloud computing platforms and APIs to individuals, companies, and governments. So, why did AWS decide to partner with Ripple? Well, it's all about improving payment solutions. AWS customers can now use Ripple's payment infrastructure to send and receive payments in real time. The CEO states that this partnership aims to integrate Ripple's XRP token into the core of Amazon's payment infrastructure, potentially reshaping the landscape of worldwide online trade. Other major companies like Standard Chartered, American Express, and Santander have also adopted Ripple's technology. Standard Chartered first partnered with Ripple in December 2015. They leveraged Ripple's technology to enhance the overall security of trade finance invoicing. This partnership has allowed Standard Chartered to offer new cross-border payment services while lowering their total cost of settlement. American Express joined RippleNet to provide real-time business-to-business global payments. Payments made by American Express's business customers on its FX international payments, FSIP platform are now routed through Ripple's enterprise blockchain network. This has led to an immediate improvement in how they send money globally. Santander partnered with Ripple and created OnePay FX, a transformative cross-border payment service. By leveraging RippleNet, Santander has been able to offer faster, cheaper, and more transparent cross-border transactions. But what's in it for these companies? Why are they adopting Ripple technology? Well, if you look at it, it's pretty simple. It gives them a competitive edge. By using Ripple, these companies can offer faster, cheaper, and more reliable payment solutions to their customers. Interestingly, it's not just about who's using XRP. It's also about how they're using it. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL service, is gaining traction. It allows financial institutions to transfer money across borders instantly, reliably, and cost-effectively. Over the past year, XRP's price has seen a significant increase. To give you an idea, let's say you invested $1,000 in XRP at the start of the year. By now, your investment could have grown by over 400%. Yeah, that much return. According to a report, companies that have adopted Ripple's technology have seen a 40% reduction in transfer fees and a 60% reduction in transfer time. I mean, that's an impressive saving in both time and money. Banks and Ripple. All right, we can all agree that banks have a problem. Transferring money across borders is slow, expensive, and often requires multiple intermediaries. And Ripple? It offers a compelling solution to these problems. So major banks worldwide are adopting Ripple technology. But to give you a better idea, let's just take a closer look at top 8 partnerships quickly. Number 1. Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, or just MUFG, has joined Ripple's endeavor to establish an international blockchain payments network. Number 2. BBVA, one of the world's largest banks, is using Ripple to enable real-time payments between Europe and Mexico. This partnership has allowed BBVA to offer new cross-border payment services while lowering their total cost of settlement. Number 3. CB, a Swedish financial group, partnered with Ripple to enhance the overall security of trade finance invoicing. Number 4. Akbank, one of Turkey's largest private banks, is the first bank in Turkey to adopt blockchain and has partnered with Ripple. Number 5. Axis Bank, India's third-largest private sector bank, is using RippleNet to facilitate real-time business-to-business global payments. Number 6. SBI Remit, an international remittances subsidiary under Japan's SBI Holdings, expanded its services using Ripple's XRP to bank accounts in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Number 7. Cambridge Global Payments, a leading provider of integrated cross-border payment services, partnered with Ripple to streamline its payment deliveries using RippleNet. Number 8. Star One Credit Union is the first credit union to offer Ripple remittances to customers via easeforex.com. More partnerships. All right. Just when you thought it was done. Well, turns out that banks aren't the only ones benefiting from Ripple's tech. Enter Uphold. With its global Web3 financial platform, it provides the stage, while Ripple brings its innovative technology to enhance the underlying crypto liquidity infrastructure. This partnership is set to handle around $5 billion in transactions annually using XRP. Ripple has also secured a major payments institution license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. This is like getting a VIP pass to one of the world's leading financial hubs. With this license, Ripple can offer its payment solutions to a wider audience. Let me just tell you here that each partnership is carefully chosen to bring mutual benefits and drive the adoption of Ripple's technology. For instance, Ripple's partnership with Fortress Trust allows it to build the infrastructure for exchanges, companies, wallets, and apps to connect to fiat rails, banks, trusts, retirement plans, and more. It's a win-win situation. Ripple gets to expand its reach and influence, while its partners get to leverage Ripple's innovative technology. Should you invest in XRP? Okay, so with all these partnership updates, of course, a natural question arises. Should you invest in XRP? As we've discussed, XRP has been on a roll recently. Its value has spiked to 0.52. And if the trend continues, investing in XRP could yield significant returns. So should you invest in XRP? Well, that's a decision only you can make. Understand the market first, then start small. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you decide to take the plunge and invest in XRP, there are several ways to do it. You can buy XRP on a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and MeXC. Then, of course, you'll need to create an account on the exchange of your choice. Once your account is set up, you'll need to deposit funds into it and you're ready to buy XRP. On the exchange, you'll find a market for XRP, like XRP USD. Here, you can place an order to buy XRP at the current market price. After buying XRP, it's crucial to secure your investment. This usually involves transferring your XRP to a secure digital wallet. Wallets can be software-based, like Edge, or hardware devices, like Ledger or Trezor. And that's a wrap. So, what are your thoughts on XRP? Are you considering investing in it? Or maybe you already have? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on why XRP could outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2024. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.